Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install a Royal Match game on your mobile device. So in order to do that, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Royal Match and look for this application from Dream Games and tap the Get or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the application installs, which will take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once it is done, tap on the Open button to launch open the game, and after you do that, you will be able to start up with the game. Royal Match is a fun match 3 puzzle game where you help King Robert decorate his castle while solving challenging puzzles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy gaming!